Hello there everyone, my name is Squalo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yesterday I was making a video from a hospital room, from a hospital bed actually, and today I'm good to go. Look, we're doing some adrenaline stuff here in the heart of Latvian forest, and shout out to all of you Latvians that I know, all my fans and friends and followers. So shout out, let me know that in the comments if you're actually from Latvia. So yes, the doctor said that I'm good to go. The yearly checkup went really well, and thank you for all the wishes. And I'm coming to you here regardless of where I am and regardless of whatever I am doing. I'm coming out with a Bitcoin update and with everything you need to know in terms of my personal outlook at Bitcoin and what I'm personally looking to do right now. Because as you know, I've been looking to flip bullish at certain points. So I want to emphasize this point and what I'm going to be doing and how soon. And as always, if you're brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell that you're always notified when I make a new upload. And don't forget that whenever you leave a like, it's a small token of appreciation that pushes me every day to make these insane videos, to keep you guys updated and to keep my community educated. So let's just get right into it without any further ado. So a lot of people are celebrating this market move in Bitcoin right now, and so it seems that it's actually quite good looking. But quite honestly, let's just keep this video short. I'm going to tell you exactly when am I going to finally flip bullish. So number one, technically we're still in this bear trend. So for us to break the bear trend somehow is to actually break this yellow resistance that is coming in at, let's take a look at, approximately 25,000 right in this region right here. So this is what I want from up. Let me flip it. So this is exactly what I want for the price to, actually do technically. And let's just quickly take a look at some news that some people were sending me some messages. Some on a good note that Californians can soon use cryptocurrencies to donate to state and local candidates. So politicians are working on this stuff, and this, you can find this whole article in Google. This is pretty cool. I mean, this is how the mass adoption is going to be creeping in bit by bit and step by step. And this is something that makes me excited as a Bitcoin investor, Bitcoin bull, and a person who is enjoying this monetary revolution, the financial revolution, which allows me to have an incredible lifestyle. So basically, now what else I wanted to mention was this one right here, which is, a lot of people are actually scared of this. And that's that the biggest whale in Bitcoin suddenly dumps over $1.4 billion in crypto as Bitcoin cracks $23. And as some say that they're actually talking about Michael Saylor's account, wallet, but if you're gonna actually track it and do more due diligence before posting any FUD, you will find out that this money wasn't just sold. The Bitcoin was simply moved to another wallet. The question, the big question is, why was it moved, etc. So maybe diversification of where it's held. Maybe they're tired of somebody tracking this third biggest non-exchange wallet. Well, the biggest non-exchange wallet, etc. So I wouldn't be so worried, even though Elon Musk and Tesla sold their Bitcoin, and it's a questionable situation. I agree that it's a big question of why, Tesla actually sold Bitcoin. And certainly some are saying that, it's all complete bullshit. And let me know in the comments if you agree that it's complete bullshit, that they needed money, that they did it for, to raise capital because of some, supply chain issues in China. It might be not, because in their latest report, and you have to keep track of these things, in latest report, Tesla actually reported that they had like, whatever, $18 billion in cash. What does 1 billion in cash change, really? It's not like they had no money. So it's a big question. So for me, once again, technically, let's get to the targets and exactly the purpose of this video. I'm not going to be longing Bitcoin unless we are somewhere in this vicinity, technically, and we're going to stabilize above 25K and go back into this whole vicinity and this whole channel, so to speak, in the daily chart and the weekly chart. That's number one. And number two, guys and girls, I cannot emphasize enough. And by the way, remember that if you want to be trading actively yourself, then look no further than Bybit or BitGet, and you see, Bybit. And if you want to be trading with Bybit, then down below in the description or in the pinned comment, you'll find a link to Bybit, which you can use to register. No KYC, takes like 20 seconds, and you can claim up to $4,100 in free initial deposit bonuses just because you've used my link, and also $8,000 initial deposit bonus, which is insane, and it's real money with BitGet. So use those opportunities, all the links down below. So for me, I'm waiting, and I know that I've spoken about this so many times, but I'm waiting for, number one, the GDP numbers on the 28th. and the GDP is probably going to be bad. So we're going to be officially in the recession, and we're going to see some volatility in the high risk assets, which is already a very big danger zone for us. And especially right now in Bitcoin, we are facing a big resistance anyway at 23K, even right now as we speak, from the weekly 200 moving average, which I've showed you already before many times. So we are at a big resistance area technically, and we are also at the time of huge anticipation, just like the CPI numbers a few months ago, which actually sent the price down from 30K area down to 20K area. So if we're going to finally see peak inflation, and the oil prices suggest that we might see peak inflation, I'm going to finally flip bullish, and this is gonna be when I'm gonna finally start taking long trades, and we're gonna start making money not from short trades as we've been in the past couple of months. And let me know down in the comments if you enjoy the spot on trades that we've been taking. Not all of them, but some of them were just absolutely insane. So, and when I'm gonna be finding another trade, I'm gonna keep you updated. Join my free Telegram channel down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay rich, and bye-bye.